Hello everyone, welcome to day 8 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a front loop single crochet. Okay. To make a front loop single crochet, here I have already made one row of normal single crochet, chain 1 and we're going to go into the second V. So the usual way is we go under the loop like this. Here the loop that is closer to us is the front loop and the loop that is away from us is the back loop. So we're just going to go under and come out like this. So I've just picked up the front loop alone. Okay. So I've just picked up the front loop alone and I have to make a normal single crochet. So this is a front loop single crochet. I'm going to show that again. You go under the V but come out from in between the V. Okay, you go under the V and come out from in between the V and pull out a loop, make a single crochet. Again, pick up just the front loop, make a single crochet. Okay, so when you have done a front loop single crochet, can you see this? There is this line of loops forming here. So just like this, you'll have till the end of the row. Do try this out and I hope to see you all in one more of the tutorials.